Welcome to our training session on how to complete a firmware update on a Polycom VVX Series handset. In order to perform a firmware update to your phone system, you simply have to follow these steps. The first step is to select the home key on your Polycom. Next, select Settings as highlighted here. You can scroll to Settings using the arrow keys. Next, select Advanced Settings. Then put in the password you have been given by the CAT Communications support team. Select Administration Settings. Scroll down until you find the menu option Reset to Defaults. Finally, scroll down to select the option Reset to Factory Defaults. This time, you will need to use the button under screen to press Select, followed by Yes. Your phone will make a chiming sound and the reset will be processed. Thank you for watching this video. If you have any questions, please email us on support@catcommunications.co.uk.